Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice that we are living to see this day. Whatever issues that you are going through, leave it all at Jesus' feet. You won't hear it back. Trust me. You understand? Yeah, man. So tropical storm warning lifted for Jamaica. Thanks be to God. And Greece gone about our business. You understand? Hopefully, she not trouble nobody wherever she a go, or she just dissipated, or whatever the word is. Forgive me if I pronounces it incorrectly. No, for me, basically, I didn't have any problem with the storm. I kind of sort of look at the areas before I build my house. It is not flood prone or anything like that, and thanks be to God. Yeah, man. So I emphasizes with people who get flood out and all of them something there. Just hold the faith and pick up and come again. You understand? You have fall many times now, but just pick up and hold the faith and move on. Alright, so this video now is all about Yohan Blake. Yohan Blake is one of Jamaican's athletes, and he had to rush to hospital Monday night to do an emergency surgery to remove his inflamed appendix. So he was rushed to a hospital after complaining about severe abdominal pain. So following scans and so forth, the doctor realized that his appendix is on the verge of rupturing, and it was inflamed and surrounded by fluid. So a surgery was done to remove it. As a result of the surgery, Blake will shut down the remainder of the 2020 season. So thank be to God that the appendix never rupture inside of him, because I know of a boy that his appendix busting him, and yeah, man, he had to be in the hospital for maybe a month, 2 months, I think. Yeah, because the doctor had to wash him out because they said that it poisoned his body. So I am so happy that Blake caught it before it ruptured, and he's recovering. Speedy recovery, Blake. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching.